You're trying to connect your email tools with Zapier for smart automation, and you want it done fast. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps, show you the software that makes it ridiculously easy, and by the end, you'll be able to automate key email tasks without writing a single line of code. Here's the kicker. Most people mess this up because they overcomplicate it or try to use outdated methods. I've tested the most popular email tools with Zapier, Gmail, Outlook, MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, you name it. And in this video, I'll show you how to connect them in a way that's simple, smart, and scalable. If you want to follow along with the same setup I'm using, I've dropped an exclusive free trial for this software in the description. It's just for viewers of this channel. Let's jump straight into it. First, head over to zapier.com and log in. Click Create Zap. For the Trigger app, type in your email tool, let's say Gmail. Select a trigger event like New Email Matching Search or Segge, New Attachment, depending on what you want to automate. Now connect your Gmail account. Zapier will ask for permission. Just follow the steps. Once connected, customize the trigger. For example, if you only want to trigger when a certain subject line appears or when an email comes from a specific sender, you can add filters here. Next, choose your action app. This can be another email tool, a CRM, a task manager, or even a spreadsheet. For this example, let's send the data to Google Sheets. Choose Create Spreadsheet row, connect your Google account, and select the exact sheet and columns where the data should go. Zapier will let you map email fields like subject, sender, or body content into the sheet columns. Once mapped, click Test Step Type to make sure everything works. If the test passes, hit Publish Zap, and you're live. This exact process works with all major email tools. Whether you're using MailChimp to collect leads, ConvertKit to tag subscribers, or Outlook to capture form replies, Zapier bridges them together. And the best part? You can stack multiple steps. For instance, when a new Gmail message comes in, you can tag it in your CRM, notify your team in Slack, and back it up in Google Sheets, all from a single trigger. If you're wondering what software I use to make this so clean and fast, again, it's linked below. That free trial is exclusive to Dan Thorne's channel and gives you full access to test this setup. Now, here's your key takeaway. Connecting email tools with Zapier isn't just about saving time. It's about creating smart, repeatable systems that eliminate manual work and boost productivity. Quick recap, go to Zapier, choose your trigger email app, pick a trigger event, connect your email, add an action like Google Sheets or another tool, map the fields, test it, and publish your automation. That's it. If this helped, take advantage of that free trial in the description to start building smarter automations today. You'll get the same tools I used, and it's the fastest way to get your email workflows running on autopilot.